All right, we should be on the YouTube. I'm gonna open up chat real quick and then we can get going. We got like 12 minutes till session open on this fucking fine Tuesday. And I'm gonna be out. I don't know to you guys in Zoom. I don't know if I'll be going live tomorrow. I'm taking my lady out on a trip like 3 hours away here to Tallahassee, or like 2 hours away. She wanted to go to some weird fucking elephant sanctuary, but it's not open. So we're gonna go to a spring instead. Long ran, laugh Masso, JK. All right, what's up? I can see you guys on chat now too. We about to get into it, man. What's up? All right, cool. All right, check it out. So US30 and NAS, bro. I'm looking pretty bearish, and I want to show you guys why here. What I'm kind of looking at. So 4-hour time frame. We have already last week to end last week got a nasty fucking. I'm gonna mute all of you guys. You can unmute yourself afterwards. We got a nasty push below support. Finally, you know. And now that we're coming up to this area that obviously has some pretty serious fucking reactions every time we come up to it. Now we're kind of getting that retest scenario to continue lower. Highly doubt that price is going to come retrace this entire pull. I mean, how big is this move? 1,000 points. I highly doubt that we're going to be retracing 100% of this move, at least that abruptly. You know, the market just simply doesn't move like that. So now that we retraced 50% of this move and still have a whole... God, bro. This bull run has been crazy. Still have a whole, that's a 2,300 move. So yeah, I mean, I genuinely expect that we're potentially just going to continue lower today. So if we get extra confirmation for buys, cool. But revisiting this area, we're now in the 5-minute time frame now. If we come back up and revisit this area, we're probably going to have to get newfound structure and then take the rebreak a high. You know, like I just not really up for these buys here. As far as sells go, we've already created this bottom here. We already have our bearish bias. We're already reacting off of 4-hour resistance. But not only that, we've already grabbed London highs, bro. We've already came up here, and as soon as we broke above London highs, got all of those buyers into the market, got all liquidity traders in the market. We got an abrupt push to the downside. And so if that's not true and we want to continue higher, honestly, it should probably happen from this point. But if those liquidity traders are going to win, which is kind of what looks like is happening now, we'll just take the break below this current low here. No additional confluence needed. I'm ready to fucking take it. Okay? We still got like 15 points to these lows. Damn. I wonder if it's gonna break lows before session open. But we'll see. I'll put it up. 30-point stop loss. ATR is normal, and this is what we'll be looking for. Trade for the day. Damn, bro. We're coming up kind of quick here. Is it too late to join the hero competition? Nah, bro. Hero competition ends September 17th. So for anybody who doesn't know, there's a competition going on right now. I'll put up the link here in a second, which is for a competition. You don't have to, not only do you don't have to, but you cannot buy an account to get into this competition. They're all free accounts. You just sign up. The link should be in the description of this video, actually. Under Funded Hero, the Funded Hero link underneath this description. Everybody starts off with a 100K account, and then the highest percentage on 9/17, so September 17th at midnight, is going to win a 100K instant funded account. The second highest is going to win a 100K two-step, and then the third highest is going to win a 50K two-step. Fucking fire you. You guys are obviously going to be trading anyway, so this is your quickest route to get in funding without actually paying for it. You're welcome. What's up, Emmett? What's up, yo? Just closed my NAS sales. Brutal, yo. Yeah, good to see you too. So going into US30, it's been a minute, Patricia. Going to US30, same shit we got going on, bro. We've had a nice drop to end last week. We're now coming back up to this area that we just broke out of. And now it looks like we're kind of going to have a continuation to the downside. Now, if we start to continue to push back above this level, we'll see how 5-minute time frame is looking like. I'll definitely look for buys, but it's not going to be any session open buys for sure. You know, there's not enough confirmation sitting in this resistance. So as far as buys go, I mean, we have highs sitting all the way up here. Golly, bro. And so I definitely don't want to take any exterior highs, you know. If we take the break above this high here, we have London highs that are right next to it. So more often than not, we're going to get some type of opposite end reaction before continuing up. So I'll just wait for that shit, you know? And then as far as sitting down here, we're like in 4-hour resistance. So we're going to have to get some serious confirmation in order for me to take this trade, just because once we start to get that newfound interior structure, we're still going to be sitting underneath this trend line that I honestly don't want to play around within. So it might be a long day if buys is going to be the move. All right, same thing for NAS. As far as these shorts here, we can take the break below these lows. I damn sure don't want to take a break below these lows, even though it's a bread and butter setup. It's just we've already retraced 100% of this move, so it's definitely an exterior. And so we just have to expect some type of opposite end reaction, you know? And if we get in up here, obviously, and get some type of opposite end reaction, at least we can put our stops to break even or have a better chance of it holding before continuing the lows. I think this is like a 40 point? Yeah, like 30 points. So we still wouldn't be putting stops to break even, but obviously our stop loss is going to be sitting up here instead of sitting so close to that reaction point. So I'm going to get a big risk here, bro. We're probably going to have a session open trade here. So you guys got to get ready. Same thing. Probably going to use a between a 30 to 40 stop loss. So NAS is going to be 30 points, going to be set in stone. But because median price is so close, obviously it's right here. Once we come up and tap into that area, you have to allow price to breathe a little bit, bro. So I'm not going to have a hard stop loss. We'll kind of see what happens within this area. If we continue to push up, I'll get out. Definitely don't want to risk, double what I'm trying to risk here. And then obviously if it holds, then we'll stay in and fucking eat, yo. All right, so let's bring it on to the actual template. I got NAS on the left. I got US30 on the right. I have to fucking pee, and we got 6 minutes until session open.
They're both US30.
I know.
You said 10.
Give me a sec here, pal. All right, NAS on the left-hand side, US30 on the right-hand side. And this is what's fucked here, too, is we've already broken below these lows, yo. So we can get risky. And, I mean, not get risky. We're going to have to wait for either newfound support, and then we can get risky there. Or we have to wait for what we always wait for. A break below previous session lows, and then some type of hold there, and then we'll take the re-break back below lows. So we're not missing out there. And so looks like US30 might be the trade, bro. You guys get ready.
US30 or NAS?
US30. Nasty NAS is broke below these lows, so there's not much we can do right now. I'm going to take this off of the chart. Again, like I said, bro, 30 to 40 point stops. So we come up and tap, but we're still holding median. I'm not getting out. You guys have been warned. Good morning, ninjas. What's up, player? How you doing, bro? Yo, John, good to see you on the fucking camera, bro. Looking a little swole over there. Living the dream.
Yeah, I'm at the Hard Rock. For some reason it works here, but not at my house.
What you doing at the Hard Rock, John? All right, cool. That's how we starting the day. All right, cool. We got 4 minutes until session open. Golly, bro, don't break below lows. How big is this range again? Like 15 points? 40 points? And this is the 15er? Yeah, we got PMI at 10 o'clock. That's not like, man, I want to kind of get this on the move here, right? Yeah, 10 o'clock PMI. Coffee, smoke. All coffee, no smoke, player. Too early for that shit. News is coming out in 7 minutes. Oh, orange folder news? There's no concern to me, brother. Oh, no, we have orange folder. What news are you talking about? Do you stream on TikTok, Emmett? Nah, bro. I don't think I've ever... I don't even know how to stream on TikTok, if we're being honest. PMI, profits made instantly. Yeah. I've never heard of that shit before. We're still holding tough, but this is rough here, bro. I mean, I know my students know. We'll break it down to you guys real quick too. Let's say if price were to close right now, right here, right at this breakout area. More often than not, every last candle to the left has a top and a bottom wick. So I don't. Oh, and we already broke anyways, but likelihood of it opening up, breaking below lows, and then pushing us right into drawdown is fucking fat. And so we just wait for new structure. But yet again, all my setups are getting ruined, bro. What's going on here? I gotta pee. I'll be right back. Give me a second.
You ready for today?
You was already in, man.
I got lit last night. Right, feel you on that shit. That's how I feel right now. I feel fucking dead. Nah, I had some crazy shit happen to me yesterday. Yeah. I will not tell you with this shorty that I've been seeing.
Oh shit.
And my baby mama pull up on me. Oh no. Also weird shit. I'm like, yo, what are you doing here?
You sure your baby mom's pulled up on you?
Yeah.
Damn, bro. You got the BM drama type shit.
Bro, she got the drama. I didn't do nothing, bro. So, she's been driving around in a whip that's under my name and shit. I've been cool as hell. But last night when she tried to embarrass me in front of Shorty and shit, man, I had my friends go take that car from her last night.
Yeah, you off the chain, bro.
So,
You off the chain, bro. It's crazy. Yo, we got market open and no setups currently, y'all. If this market opens bullish like this, we'll take the rebreaker below these lows. I just don't want it to send it from this point. God, don't fucking let me miss it. And as far as the break below these lows here, it's just one candle structure, but I'm feeling if we don't take it, it might leave without us type thing. We'll see. We just violated highs here, which is kind of nice. So if we're manipulating and getting buyers into the market, it would happen at this breakout point here, and then the break back below those, we should be good. I'm gonna take this, yeah. If we break back below, same thing, 30 to 40 point stop loss. Let's get fucking risky here. This will be the move. If we continue to push up, it's all good. It's not our trade. Inverse correlation going on with NAS here. We're sending it. We just broke below London lows, so I expect some type of reaction. I don't think it's just gonna fucking send it like it did yesterday. And then we'll take the break below newfound support. But yeah, US30 looks good here. Okay, we're starting to get that opposite end reaction now from NAS. It's clean. Still got a long way to go though. Still have to wait this 3 minutes and then the next 5 minutes for that candle to close, and then I would take the break of that new structure.
damn.
Hell yeah, that bitch is out of here right now. Plug. The smoke is for burning the market today. Oh yeah, we about to hit, bro. Today should be a solid day. No trade day yesterday with my group. Market just went opposite way of what I thought it was going to go. There's no setup for us. NAS, no structure formed as shit the entire session, bro. Just sending it to the moon. So whoever just clicked buy at whatever point, I don't think a single 5-minute candle closed below the previous 5-minute candle. I mean, just destruction, bro. Look at this shit. Crazy. 170 points in 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes, clean, very clean. No structure for me. I wanted sells on US30 yesterday, same fucking thing as today. And we mooned, bro. We sent it to the moon here. So we'll see. Waiting for the system to line up. 2 no trade days in a row, that would be crazy. Like I said yesterday, it's just fucking rare, bro. But it's gotta line. It's gotta be on my terms. Okay, very nice opposite end reaction we're getting here on NAS. Look at that open candle. How much is that? 60? 80? Wow. You said good luck, but why you don't respond to me on Deer now? 4x2783. Oh yeah, you, bro. Somebody, this 4x27 person on fucking Instagram. Here, let me read the conversation, the entire thing, while we wait for this trade. As soon as we break below these lows, y'all, we're getting in. So, as a matter of fact, before I even go through this, I'm about to put a sell stop here. You guys should get ready for it. Again, variable stop loss. So I'm probably just gonna hold off on putting SL as of now. But I'm not willing to risk more than 40 points on this trade.
For US30 or for NAS?
For US30. Nah, NAS is small ATR, bro. NAS is just gonna probably be a hard 30. Unless the median and price is close to it once we get entry. Damn, this bitch is sending it, bro. How far are we away from this area now? 90? Is it a whole 100 now? Holy shit. Holy shit. NAS is looking very nice, bro. Exactly what I want to see. And then take that continuation. Getting that inverse correlation from US32, cool, but we got some time. That US30 low starting to be an exterior low, right? Yes. B or G for that. Yes, correct. We're starting to retrace more than 50% of this move, so it's just turning into a heavier area of liquidity, you know, a more obvious place to put your stop loss. So usually when we come back down to it, again, just get that little bit of retracement if it is indeed going to continue lower, and then sends it. So instead of opening ourselves up to higher likelihood of deeper drawdown, we just wait for newfound structure, which is exactly what we're about to execute on here, and then fucking push, you know? Yeah, this is nice. This is what we like to see. If it flips, though, she might be out of here without us, bro. Again. Golly. 2 days in a row. That's that stalker shit, all bad. Yeah, Hugo better figure that shit out. It's because he got stars in his roof, bro. So he's starting to have people go crazy over him.
No, I ain't even been with Shorty for like 2 years, bro. I've had a whole relationship and shit.
Were you living with her?
I was with her for like 10 years.
Oh, 10 years, not 2, 10. Oh, yeah.
With my BM, yes. With my BM, yes, 10 years. But then my new relationship, I was living with her too. For like, we were together for like almost 2 years. We lived together for like 5, 6 months.
BM drama.
And then she never did that to my new girlfriend. And then now this girl that I met a few weeks ago, like a month ago, I don't know, she's trying to scare her off. I about told her, y'all, you can beat her ass right now if you really fuck with me.
Yeah. Why are you trying to get the new lady in the drama, bro? It's crazy. Like,
it's already put in. Like, I can't, like, she's there.
Oh, shit.
Like, who the fuck are you? You know, this is a forever thing. He's never gonna leave me. He loves me. I'm like, bitch, I don't want you.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, King said y'all look like you can be related.
Look at this, bro. I'm dead.
Motherfuckers got no shirts on, bro. They got wife beaters on.
This is crazy.
Golly, bro. Y'all better tighten up, bro. Look at this motherfucker, bro.
Well, the three of us look like a fucking hit team, bro.
Facts, yeah, that's crazy.
We got Maui with fucking Hugo, and we look like two fucking Armenians between me and Joe.
All right, so back to you, Forex lover, fucking Forex lover, Forex2783 on Instagram. It says, I said, hey, they sent message and said, can you help me? So I messaged and said, hey, what's up? How can I help you? And they said, I am Pakistani girl, dear. I said, okay, what are you asking help for? They said, I lost 10K in binary trading without asking my family. Now I have experience in Forex. I need my loss. I will return to you time to time. I said, okay, so you just need 10K from me? They said, I promise I'll return as early as possible. I said, deal. Where do I send it? Binance. Like, that's crazy if people really think life works that fucking easy, bro. It's nuts to me. Bando trading, let's get it. But yeah, I was just telling you good luck because it's not coming for me, Forex. You got to get somebody else, man.
And she's probably related to the guy who did the mentorship.
Yeah, he's like, yo, you can, yeah. You can get this motherfucker, bro.
That's his cousin.
Oh, it's brutal. She needs gas money. That's a lot of gas money, bro. Oscar said I sent it. It's brutal, bro. Yeah, somebody got me on. I know you guys don't know YouTube, but I got scammed like a motherfucker a couple weeks ago. She had me at Paki Girl. I know. I thought that was the funniest thing. The first thing that says, I'm a Pakistani girl, dear." It's like, oh hell yeah, it's done deal then. What you need, woman? Bando trading. Hey man, you didn't get scammed, bro. I bought my own course. I told somebody that my mentorship was $3K, and I ended up paying them $3K for it, bro. You completed a mentorship, yeah. I got destroyed. Yo.
That your mentorship was closed
Um,
last week.
that's-
I'm not having no more.
That's it, bro. I'm done with this shit. I had to pay for my own shit. Very trustworthy people. Yeah, it's brutal. Yo, imagine people who got it on these sales and couldn't let go of that trade. Golly.
Cooked. Instantly cooked.
Cooked. We just broke above London highs here. And so now we're getting, oh no, we haven't yet. Come on, bro. Now we can get that additional confirmation, bro. If we go any high, is this already 200? Golly, the volume is crazy this week. US30 is going stupid, yeah. So ideally, same exact thing we're waiting here on London, y'all. We've already broken below these lows, so we would just be waiting for that second break below the lows to ensure, we're definitely going to go bearish for the day. Same thing with US30. We're just kind of waiting for some type of pullback because it's guaranteed to have, more often than not, going to happen at previous highs and break, bro. We can get additional confluence potentially coming back down to this trend line here too, but golly, it's 140 fucking point push up for 2 days in a row of this shit. Had me trading Asian. I traded DJ during Asian yesterday. My stop almost got hit by fucking, bro, do I have the position up here? Actually, incredible trade. Yeah, look at this shit. Look, it even got hit on TradingView. I went to sleep. I fell asleep. I put this trade in right here. Fell asleep. My stop loss was 255. So let me put it in real quick. On Gates. Look at that shit, bro. Pushed all the way up to TB3 and pulled me out. You guys can look at my story.
Damn, that was lucky as shit.
Bruh. No such thing as luck. I just have Zen on my side. What kind of setup your DJ trade? It was a buy setup. It's the green hair. My bad, King. Plus 15 profitability. Yeah, facts. Yeah, except I have to fucking dye this shit every week, bro. It's actually getting really annoying. Like, I should take you guys to a tour of my house. I got a fucking towel sitting on my couch so I can lay back. I got a towel sitting on my pillow so I can fucking go to sleep. I was laying back on my wall the first day I got this shit done, bro. And my head was on the wall. There's a big ass green fucking smear on my fucking wall. I can't get it off, bro. It's like dyed into my fucking wall, so.
Bro, my pillowcases and everything.
Yeah, they're fucked, bro. The worst part is, like, when I first did it, I didn't think about it, so I'm used, like a white towel. A towel that's not fucking black the first time I dyed my hair. Destroyed, bro. It just destroys everything. I hate that this is happening here, because it's like we created these equal highs instead of breaking above. But if we want to wait for yet another push above, and, it's just, this is where potentially you got to get risky. I'm not taking it, but I think if we re-break back above highs, that's it. It's out of there, I'd rather just focus up on NAS. We already got the break, so we're just waiting for confirmation now. But yet again, bro, retracing 50% of this fucking move. Golly, dude, it's annoying. We're right back to session open, though, damn near. Are we? Did we start down here? Oh, no, we started down here. This is the opening candle. This is the green one. Oh, no. This is opening candle. Yeah, we're right back at entry price. Plus 25 more. I'm anxious, bro. I'm ready to go. What's up, Anissa? I was calling for you yesterday or the day before. How are you? Rusha, that means you lost 25 aura recently. Sheesh, he did, bro.
It's alright. It's alright, because next time it's going to be plus 50.
Judging by the webcam. You know what that means? He means that he's gonna do his hair and the beard, bro. He's going full fucking. He's going.
Look. If I I have a 300K. If I pass the 300K line, all right, then I'll do.
You do it. Oh shit.
Then I can't leave the house.
Oh
shit.
shit.
Half of my beard, so now in 2 weeks it'll be like this again.
Yo, dyeing the beard is crazy. I don't have enough of a beard to do it, or else I might join you, but that's crazy work.
Do the mustache.
Word on the street is green beard equals 100 aura. That's a lot of aura, bro. There's very few things in life that can get that much aura in one push. On my chart, US30 wicked the London highs. Yeah? Look at grab traders are winning too. And this is nice too, bro. We would rather see some type of interior structure to take the trade. We're fucking literally sitting at 4 hours resistance, bro. Watch it be a whipsaw day. Kind of looking like it. Yeah, it's kind of looking like it. Appreciate all, what do we got in here? Let me see. I've never looked at the fucking numbers anymore, bro. My bad. 42 people. Appreciate y'all showing up. If we hit 50, if we already did, let me know. We'll do a giveaway. I'll make dollar give you guys like a 10K funded hero challenge. You about it? Ooh, we just jumped to 44. We got 6 more to go. Let's do it. 6 more to go. Like the fucking stream. Share the fucking stream. You know, I may even get a bigger size account. Who knows? It's one phone call away. The phone's here. One fucking phone call away to wake that old man up. Trying to sleep. I'm sure kids kept him up all night. Doesn't matter. I'll wake him up right fucking now. Yep. Just like this video. Let's get this raffle going. Yep. I'm bad, bro. I used to do so good at fucking looking up the number and shit. Like to stream, comment, polls, and all that shit, you know? I'm just here to trade now, bro. Show's fun, but money's funner, you know? Make some money, bro. What's up, Emmett? JJ to the max. What's up, player? How you doing, bro? Wow. Brandon, it looks clean, bro. It does. Look, even on Oanda, we popped through. Whoops. Even on Oanda, we popped through. ATR is fat. Look how smart stop is compared to these. Like, these are the tough trades. I already know what John's looking at over here. These are the tough trades, bro. Median price is so fucking far away.
Yeah.
It just is what it is. Wake him up. I need support. My credential's not working for challenge account. Chat says they away right now. Damn, bro. You must have got scammed. Honestly. They have chat 24/7, so if they're telling you chat is not awake, you must have bought it from the wrong firm. You must have got scammed. Use the link in my description and use code SCAMMED for 30% off your next account. Scam alert. Yeah. I think they have service 24/7. I'm not too sure, bro. But yeah, they'll be up soon. The boys are up between the 10 to 12 range. Scam alert. Purchased a 5K live account from Funded Hero. Loving it so far. Yeah, Funded Hero is the fucking truth, bro. For sure. They're doing what I do. They just let results speak for themselves. No trade day? No, not yet, bro. I'm not calling that yet. We potentially can get a little into... Yeah, see... I think the only thing that I would still like to take is if we got some type of interior structure here on NAS, you know, and then take the break back into the range. But as far as US30 goes, we're just in a bit of chop, bro. Honestly, lower probability. If you guys are wondering about this trade here, our stop is tight, yeah, but I think I'm starting to realize, and I think John's the one who put it on my fucking desk. To be honest with you, the further it's a potentially, but just the further median of prices to the trade, potentially the lower probability it is. But I don't have enough data on it, so that's really just you know, something I've been thinking about the past like 2 months. Let me take this shit off here so we don't confuse people. Yo, what's up, Amid? What's going on, bro? Purchase of 5K. News coming up. Just waiting, though. Yeah, we got PMI here in 12 minutes. That'll tell us everything we need to know. Bread and butter setup starting to push above for US30 now, but no way, bro. I'm not doing it. I'm not getting in at the end of a fucking... As a scalper, I'm not getting in at the end of a 100-point push. You know, it just has to be new structure. It is what it is. Purchase a 5K live account. Hi, Amit. Why don't you do coaching calls in the Blueprint anymore? You guys weren't made aware? I don't know how I should answer that. You guys weren't made aware of anything? What? Nothing bad, but yeah, I will no longer be doing any Blueprint calls there. Surprised you guys haven't been told anything, to be honest. I know you answered this before, but if you could refresh my memory, how are you going about getting your data? Notion, bro. I don't think I put the... Yeah, if you go to my free course in my Discord, I actually put the whole template in there of the exact journal that I use for my data. There's no emotions in it. There's no implementing paragraphs of, you know, how we're feeling or how the trade went or breaking it down. It's just cold-hearted facts so you can optimize over the course of time, you know? What time was the trade at? What setup was the trade taken with? What was the asset that you traded with? And then what was the outcome of it? Not the outcome. I mean, yes, the outcome of what you made, but more importantly, where did the trade go before it hit stop loss? And then later down the road, obviously, you start to optimize the data, increase your edge, and become a better fucking trader year by year by year. But without acquiring data and just feeling like, you know, you have the skill set or you learn the system, so now we're good. We don't have to acquire data anymore. Yeah, I mean, that could potentially be fine, but over the course of time, I think that's going to be a hindrance for a lot of people. I've been in the markets for a long time, and the full system that got me profitable is only half of the way that I trade now. The mechanics of the markets are changing, whether it's just new participants, new algorithms. You know, EAs are really starting to take over a lot of people's mindset. A lot of people want automated trading, and all of these things can change the mechanics of the market, you know, just different systems being implemented versus what was before. So if you're not on top of your toes, if you don't understand your data, if you aren't progressively looking at when things go wrong, or if you hit longer losing streaks than normal, longer winning streaks than normal, what's the reason for these things? Takes a long time, but I feel like potentially if you were profitable now in 5 years, you potentially wouldn't be if you didn't collect any data and just continued on with the single exact thing that you're doing. Potentially. Market's always shifting, so. Where can I find the journal you're using? I don't like the one we're using in Blueprint. I want just data, not the type of story. I feel you, bro. Can you just message me on it? Just here. I got you. I got you. No shade, though. Currency Cave is cool. I enjoyed working with them. Where is it at? It's in this course, bro. So I'll send you the link here. Copy link. Hopefully this is the right... Let me know if this is the correct link. If it doesn't open for you guys, just let me know. I'll fucking figure it out. No shade, of course. Yeah. No shade. There's a gang of templates on Notion. Yeah, but they're not cool as fuck like mine, though. Come on, bro. Put your helmet on and strap your seatbelt. I haven't been able to put the captain hat on this week because we're fucking bored, bro. What's up with this whipsaw shit? You know?
You gotta put the whole.
Who called this? Was this Jaime? Who just called this? Whipsaw Day. You legend.
It was me.
Bro, you're calling it. You're calling it to the fucking T here. Now we have yet another fucking exterior high. You guys understand what I'm talking about when I say these exterior highs? Once we start to retrace 50% away from that current move, away from that area, more often than not, when you come up to it, you're going to get an opposite end reaction. Do you guys understand that shit?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it works. Send me the mini course. Is it? Yes, it works. All right, cool. Yeah. Yeah, the mini course. Not the one below. That's my full course. The one above. The mini course. That has a template in it, too. Would you ever do a one-on-one or group mastermind mentorship class? Yeah. Yeah, I've actually never done it before. I would. I think it would be better that way, too, you know? The one-on-one just takes up a lot of my time, fam. I care about you guys too much. It's tough to make people like fucking Hugo profitable when they're just gambling all the time, or Russo profitable when he's got to make $1 million from $100. It's tough on me, bro. Paul. It's tough to make Paul profitable.
Everybody.
Jaime, bro. All his fucking emotions and shit, bro. It's hard on my soul, bro. It's tough on me.
And I'm treating this competition just like that, man. I'm just following the system. If it plays out great, no, I don't care.
Yeah, no, for sure I will. I'll put a feeler out there and see if we actually have any demand to do a mastermind class, bro. If it's just like 2 people, then I'd rather just do one-on-one for you. You know? I think those currency cave calls are very beneficial, though. You know, I fucking labeled all them and put good titles for them and shit. It's just like, it's a lot of information, bro. Like I always say, I always start the classes off the same way. Like, I'm trying to cram 10 years of market experience into fucking 2 months, you know, 1 month. It's tough. It's doable, but it's tough. It's not tough for me to do it. It's tough for the viewer to digest it, you know? People need to accept that shit. It just takes time. Okay, bet I'm down for it. I'm in Orlando. Golly, bro. I feel like I live there now, bro. It's a beautiful place. I really feel like I fucking live there, though. Really need to take a break from that place. For my sanity, yeah, Miami's worse, bro. You know, it's a.
I'm gonna say water fucking.
We have news in 5 minutes, in case anybody's wondering. We're just waiting for a new structure, bro. So we got 5 minutes for news, and we'll get some volume here. Yeah, we got volume, by the way. Yeah, we got fucking volume. I need to be profitable for sure. Yeah, bro, you just need to just fucking follow a system, Paul. I know what you got going on, bro. If you don't think I know everything all the time, you'd be damn fucking wrong. I know everything. I'm that guy. But until you kind of focus up on everything that you've heard me talk about, especially somebody like you, bro. Like, you got the Hugos, the Kings, the Jaimes, maybe even Arthur now. Who else? The Bows, the Ashleys. Bro, I say the same. I've been saying the same shit to you guys for like a fucking half a year, bro. Just a long, long time. John, only a couple months. But you guys should really understand what I'm saying at this point, and all you should be doing at this point is acquiring your own day and becoming better, bro. I say the same fucking thing every day. I don't say anything new. We don't do any new system. I don't hop on here and say, yo, I have some new realization. We're going to start doing this, or any new teaching, or it's all the same shit. And so it's like, if you haven't figured out a way to start to acquire real data or real results, or you're not getting anywhere, and you still feel like you're stuck in a loop, I can almost guarantee you that I can ask you, hey, bro, send me your journal. I want to see your journal of your last 2 months. That you probably don't even fucking have it. I know he's on the phone right now, so he can't listen to this shit, but I bet he doesn't even fucking have it, bro. I bet you hasn't even documented his last month of trading. And I bet you if he has, I guarantee you it's going to be some shit we can see right away. Like, if we went to go look at his P&L, it would be like losses and wins are the same exact size, or losses are bigger than wins. It's so easy to pinpoint. We simply can't beat math, you know? I'm not a god tier fundamental trader who understands the mechanics of why the economics are going to do this tomorrow and what PMI is going to do. I don't trade based off of that. I trade based off of the probabilities of price action during the same exact time using the same exact setup with the same exact asset. You can't beat math with my system, period, bro. And so if people would just understand that, acquire the data, and allow for the data to speak for itself instead of looking at the money and the I need to get profitable, I need to get rich now mentality and shit, bro, things can happen pretty fucking fast. That's why I like the call out. I like people saying, oh, I'm struggling. It's been very tough with trading. Say, all right, cool. Lo, let's figure this out now. Send me your journal. Oh, I haven't been able to journal the last 2 weeks of trading because of whatever the fuck. It's like, all right, well, there we are, brother. Come back to me when you're actually following the system. And if you have issues, then, we can move from there. But it doesn't happen. Once people start to follow the system, now they start becoming profitable. Now they start getting results. We can't beat fucking math, bro. I need to learn everything you just said, bro. Yeah, facts, bro. Paul got me problems. Yeah. Yeah, you and Job got the same problem, for sure. One thing about Job, though, even though he has problems with fucking needing the shit now and everything, he's not scared to risk. So, and Job actually knows how to trade. So it's like he's still going to hit every once in a while. But, bro, if you can control, you just destroyed everybody in the competition. If you actually just fucking stuck to some type of management on a day-to-day basis, bro, not allowing for crash outs to happen, you'd be straight, bro. You'd be straight. Is your journaling just video recording? Hell no, bro. You think do any of you think I come back and look at what's that?
I said the amount of footage you would have to go through.
Oh my god, bro.
Your old stuff would be so annoying.
That'd be crazy. That's why, could you imagine someone who's like, yo, when I learn how to trade, can you teach me how to trade for free? If anybody here wants to learn how to trade for free, I mean, you could, bro. You just have to go through fucking hours and hours and hours and hours of my life. That's all on YouTube. I've been doing this shit for years now. You definitely fucking could. We have to wait for the market to reset. News just came out. Let me open this up a bit. You definitely could, but what you pay for a mentorship or what you pay for a course for is to expedite the process, to put everything in actual order so you understand step by step what you're going to do next type thing, But all this shit's out there, bro. You guys can definitely go fucking run it up hour after hour. But I never go back and look at any of my lives. I think I used to be excited, like when I would be trading on dollars, especially when we hit 800. It was like, yo, we hit 800 concurrent people in a fucking day for like 3 weeks straight. 800, 800, 800, 800. Insane. That was exciting. I went back to look at that and shit sometimes. But outside of that, nah, bro. My journaling comes from cold, hard facts. It doesn't matter how I feel or when let's say we hopped into this trade right here and I'm like fucking, going back to look at Joe. I was like, wow, I was extremely excited during this part and this part. Then I'm getting cocky. I'm like, damn, I'm about to fucking hit. Now that we're coming back up here, I'm getting a little bit nervous, wondering if I should close the trade. What the fuck does that do for anybody? Who gives a shit? It's completely irrelevant to system itself. And not allowing myself to even dig deep inside of emotions and just accept, once we get into this trade, we've accepted risk and only this or this can happen. Things begin to change. It's like maybe some of you guys put too much stipulation on emotions. None of that shit fucking matters. I genuinely believe having a deep conversation about psychology means nothing at all as far as trading progression. Because the only thing that can fix psychology issues is having confidence in your system. And the only way you can have confidence in your system is having data in your system. That's it, bro. There's just no more to it. We can't beat math. But we can beat emotions with our data. I have went through hours of your YouTube videos. Yeah, hey, bro, I've done it to a couple people. Who have I went through hours of footage of? Fucking Ryan Gilpin, way back in the day, for sure. Doyle Exchange, for sure. Yeah, he's easy to learn from. He's fire. I think that's it of like hours and shit. Q, not really, bro. I think Ryan would destroy Q in trading before my 2 cents. Destroy him, bro. Like, no competition. Ryan Gilpin, Q Banks, Ryan would fucking... Could you imagine? I'd put money on it for sure. Where's the journal template? Did someone drop the link? No, you have to go into the course. The course is only $5,000, and then you get the free template in that $5,000 course. No, there's if you go to the Discord here, I got you. Yeah. Go into the free mini course, and then the template is in that free mini course, bro. Oh, Dr. Glenn, what's up? Yeah, I haven't seen you in a minute. Oh, here. It's in here. I got you. I just sent it here. You're already in the Discord, though. Go to the, not the Blueprint Discord, which I don't even think you're, yeah, the regular Discord. Just go to free mini course, open that up, and the template's in there. Daniel Silo does my first mentor this. Oh, yeah. That's right. You're right. Yep, I've definitely watched some hours of Daniel, too, for sure. Yeah. I don't really use much of what he... Yeah, I don't use anything that I've learned from him and shit, but I used to watch a lot of his shit, too. He just needs to learn how to fucking treat his friends a little better. That's for fucking sure. Boy's got issues. Question about Funded Hero Live account. How many payouts can you get from one 5K account? What do you mean, bro? What do you mean, how many payouts? Like, I'm sure I'm not understanding it, but unlimited. If you follow rules and you're eligible for a payout, you get unlimited. Couldn't even tell you what he teaches now. Hi, thanks for the real talk. What is your best video that you think explains best what you look for and do? Hey, solid question, monkeys are. That's what I'm talking about, bro. This right here, bro. Videos. I think as of like current time right now, are you a beginner or you've been trading for a while, bro? Just take this video. That's the one for you, my guy. Exactly how I'm trading in 2025. He a promoter. Who's a promoter? Thanks. Yeah, I am. Just didn't know where to look. Got it. All right, cool. Yeah, I'm about to put it in a better place because people ask all the time. I know that's a pain in the ass to have to fucking go through all that shit, but trading journal template. We'll pin it somewhere. You know? 6 months without a video, we missed you. Yeah, what's up with that guy, bro? 6 fucking months is crazy. Did I really? Six months, 7 months, 6 months, 8 months. 10 months and then a year ago. But that way over a year ago. Yeah, it was a minute. And then this last time I took a big break too. I think I just be hating on myself, bro. I already know what it is. I fucking push shit up. I'm like, wow, we didn't even hit 1,000 views. This shit's a waste of time. Fuck this shit. I'm done, bro. You know, and then I'm like, I better grow a following. All the boys are growing a following. We can't just be fucking falling behind. Let me put some solid videos up. And then I get like 200 views. I'm like, man, fuck this shit, bro. I'm done. But it's all in my head. I do enjoy giving you guys value and shit. Sometimes it's like, bro, I should just be getting fucking a bajillion views all the fucking time. Why am I not? You know? It's all bullshit. Consistency beats all when it comes to content creation and growing your brand. Obviously, people acquiring a relationship with you in these lives help and such, but consistency is the name of the game, bro. I know people that I enjoy to watch on YouTube. They're fucking posting, bro. It's a full life. But yeah, I'm, you know, like I said, now that I'm not going live with you guys once a day, every fucking day on YouTube, in return, we'll be doing the one video per week, which I've done now for like a month. Got a video coming out this week, which is fire. It's median of price. Everything about it. When price comes down to the area, I know a lot of people are like, what the fuck is he talking about when he's talking about variable stop loss, median of price? What are we talking about here? You will understand by the end of this week. I'm going to come out with a detailed video about it. You be like us with trading. We want to be like you guys, but it's our own journey. Yeah, I know, bro. I used to, you know, when I first got into vlogging, I was excited. I was like, man, everywhere me and my girl and shit go, or anytime we got these trips, we're going to vlog. And then, like I said, bro, I don't fucking get results in the first 2 videos. I'm like, man, fuck this shit, bro. It's too much fucking work anyways. So I got to get better at that shit for you guys, because I know you enjoy all of that. I'm sure you would have enjoyed, especially this month, me vlogging all the shit we did. And, you know, we go crazy, bro, for sure. But yeah, in due time, brother. That's why I guess this is new news to all you guys, but I'm opening up a new page, bro, just so I can differentiate trading from lifestyle. I think it'll be beneficial for like growth and shit. But that'll be in a couple weeks. I just started on it yesterday. You gonna get there, bro. Trust me. What you mean? Oh yeah, yeah. I'm not. It's not even like being in it for the fame, bro. It just I had an editor and shit. I decided to let them go and edit on my own and shit because it does. I mean, it does take a lot of time sometimes, but I think it's like a personal thing. You know, you work so fucking hard as shit. I've been doing shit for 2 years now on YouTube, maybe a year and a half, and don't see any crazy results. It's like, man, none of these fucking things went viral, but they did though. It's a lie. You know, it's all in my head. I got my first 100K video this year finally. Fucking fire fucking video. It's at like 100 and some shit now. Let me go back to home. Oh, we got this up here. 102K, bro. We're killing it. It's a beautiful video. Yeah, I feel you.
Dubai.
Dubai, bro. Fucking Dubai. Of course. Yeah. Zen lifestyle. Yeah. US30 is dropping whips all day. Yeah, there ain't nothing we can do here, bro. It is what it is. This is that fucking B&B. Way later in the session. Yo. Exterior B&B. Yeah, it's just a whole bunch of opportunities that I simply won't take, bro. It is what it is. Let's get it, man. Keep it going. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I got y'all, bro. We won't be. Luckily for you guys, you know, even though I'm a hip. It's kind of funny because when I first started all this shit, I know my old supporters know the Russos and shit, bro. Dollar used to try to get me on these fucking single streams for so long. He was promoting my course, bro, and I didn't even have one. You know, it's like he's coming out with a stream. I'm like, bro, I'm good. I'm not doing that shit, bro. I just don't want to deal with like I didn't leave. You guys have to understand. I worked my ass off in the field before I came into full-time trading, and so in my head, I didn't see like myself finally removing myself from my job and then going back into another full-time job. You know what I'm saying? Like in my head, I saw it all as like full-time trading. We're done. I don't have to do shit anymore. Me and Mark are going to travel hippie shit and we're chilling. But you know, fulfillment in life is a real thing as well. And having a passion towards, I mean, living in general, but things that you're doing is a big progressive part of life is just as equally big as freedom, at least in my head. And I have fulfillment and extreme enjoyment by teaching others how to become financially stable and so on and so forth. So like I also have my freedom, but I also have a passion, which in return I have to give some time back for. So it's I'm here, bro. I'm not going anywhere. I'm glad that a lot of friends pushed me to do this shit and to send out real knowledge, and I'm pretty fucking good at instructing as well. You know, there's a lot of very good traders who just have a tough time like teaching replicable actions for you guys to be able to do and shit, you know? But I don't struggle with it, bro. I really can have you guys get my replicable results as well. Just replicable results as well. Just because I'm a fucking good teacher. I understand what it takes to get to this point because unfortunately, bro, it took me a long time to actually start to turn around from being emotional, from being unprofitable to profitable. And most traders, yes, I understand that, but me specifically, because I was making very good money outside of trading as well, I think I just allowed things to get way too out of control for 5 fucking years before I ever saw a penny back, you know? And so I understand it from a standpoint of somebody who's been trading for a couple months versus somebody who's even been trading for 5 years. I understand what it absolutely takes, but it is all the same thing, whether it's a newer person, older person, it's simply all the same fucking thing, bro. Data. The only thing that separates myself from you is simply data focused on one simple foundation, you know? It's as simple as that. And over the course of time, I've executed the same setup 1,000+ times. Obviously, I'm better at it than you. You know, it just makes total sense. And every single time you try to push around to taking those same 1,000 trades, but within different foundations, some is supply and demand, some is support resistance, some is economical trading. There's no optimization that can come of it. It's fucking all over the place. You guys just got to focus up on one single foundation and make it happen. Don't be a jack of all trades. Two setups, one pair, one session, you know? Then we can really zero into what's happening during that set period of time so you can make something of it. Versus the people who are trading all day, so there's no time aspect involved. There's no asset involved because they're trading every asset in every market. There's no risk management involved because they have variable risk. Oh, I lost 3 trades, let me double down this trade. They're just all over the place, bro. But it really is easy to tighten all of these little fucking things up into a real trading plan and to get results over the course of time. You know, it just got to focus up. Just put it that way. Same thing with me creating the bot. It's like so many people are saying, oh, it'd be so tough to create a bot on ChatGPT. And, you know, I don't have any coding experience at all. To be honest with you, I don't. None. But I've created a fully functioning bot. And it's going to, I'm not marketing anything. And no, nothing is for sale. It won't be for a while. But I've created a fully functioning bot that made 269% in 3 years of back testing data on MetaTrader within like fucking 2 months, bro. And by applying the same exact thing that I applied to the system that I'm teaching you guys here, breaking it down section to section, optimizing over the course of time. You know, instead of me just trying to do a million different things of this code, it was like, all right, let's focus on trend aspect first, then let's focus on the violation of these areas of interest first, and then we can get into entry step by step by step. You know, it's just like confluence trading. And then once you add all these confluences in together, over and over again during the same exact time using the same exact assets, like shit really does click pretty fucking fast, bro. I'm telling you. But people usually never get to that point because they're like stuck in the circle of just like acquiring information, finding as many lives as they can fucking possibly listen to and shit to get to the next point, you know? Like the same thing I did. That shit's tough. I pray for all of you guys that you're able to find somebody that you fuck with heavy fast, you know, whether it's me or, you know, Big Daddy Max or fucking Dollar or whoever the hell it is. Find the validity of them, you know, ask questions, the deep questions you want, whether it's withdrawals or payouts or real solid data, the things that they're speaking about, ask for proof of it. If they can't give it to you, move on. But secondly, and also equally as important, is you have to really fuck with the person that you're learning from, you know, whether they know it or not. You have to enjoy the way that they teach. It has to be easy digestible. And then when you can get that down, it's blackout season from that point, bro. Everything else gets shut off. All of the Discords, all of the Telegrams, all these YouTube live streams, all this progressive learning from fucking Traded Naked books and all this shit, gone. And you just focus up on that one singular person. Because A, you understand the system they have works. You've already done your research. And then B, you fuck with the way they trade. So anything outside of that is completely unnecessary. You're just trying to add in probabilities from different fucking traders. It doesn't fucking work. And then from that point, once you get those two things down and find the person you want to learn from, in my opinion, you know, because you've already done deep work, you know their data works, you can implement that shit for a short couple months. You know, two to 6 months. And then you're a profitable trader. That's how you expedite the learning curve with anything. It's the power of social media. But jumping around and shit doesn't help. Treating it like a business, facts, yeah, for sure. This screenshot, freedom is the goal. That screenshot of my funded account I showed you last week, I'm back to break even on it. Went from almost losing the account to now even. Yeah, I heard, bro. It's nuts. You do that shit all the time, though, bro. I want to hear you fucking taking a goddamn payout, you know? Fuck the back to break even. It's exciting, but over the course of time, it's like, it's boring. It's like, all right, over the last 3 to 4 months, I'm proud of myself. I almost lost the account 4 fucking times, brought it back to even. You know, great. The statistics of people being able to do that, crazy. But, man, you better get paid, Brandon. You've been up in this bitch the entire time with me, bro. You may not be on camera, but you've been up here the entire time with me, fam. Through all the dollar days, through all that shit, bro, get paid, bro. Quit fucking being in recovery mode and get into making money mode, player. And I know what your issue is. We've already talked about it, but your issue is variable risk. Yeah, it's always been your issue. It continuously be your issue. You have the 5% syndrome. When your account is 5% in profit, you're a fucking god. You're killing shit. You probably up your risk. Hopefully you don't, but or you stay within your rules, which is fine. But 5% drawdown, just like most other people, it's like, oh, the account's gone. I'm already fucked, and you start just doing sporadic shit. Either the fuck it's, where it's you risk more and lose the account faster, or the even worse, in my opinion, is the conservative it's. You know, you fucking half down your risk, and now it took you 4 trades to get into drawdown, and it's got to take you 8 trades to get out because you don't trade for too deep a R to R. You usually trade for 1-to-1. Bro, these mechanics are killing you. But if you can sit down and understand that, you know, if you're actually journaling all your trades, bro, you have years of data, bro. There should be nothing further that you need to do to optimize except for now the deep work of everything you already have. Honestly, bro. If you already you have fucking 200 of your own trades that you put into your journal, look at them. I know you trade for a 1-to-1 most of the time. So it's like, all right, more often than not, over the last 200 fucking trades, if I would have traded for a 1-to-3 instead of 1-to-1, what would my account look like right now? And I think you would lose your fucking mind, fam. I actually think that you would lose your mind of how much you're selling yourself short with that shit. Hell no, it's exterior low. Take it, bro. It's a bread and butter. Take it. Yeah, I hate full push up and then full push back down. I fucking can't stand these trades. A whipsaw. I'm not taking it. It's a no trade day for me. Been doing 1 to 2 lately and it's been a beauty. Doing that 1 to 1 wasn't it? Yeah, bro. It's fucking, you can't beat math, fam. 1 to 1, you got to be a hitter out here at all times, 24/7 on your toes, player. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing a 1 to 2.5. Like Steven Owens too, bro. He tried to come up here. When was that, bro? Like 2 or 3 months ago, a month ago. It was like, bro, I put 7K into an account and I lost the fucking account. Shit's not going. I followed the plan the entire time, and I was like, wait, hold on, bro. Let's fucking talk about this shit. You had 7K into an account. You're risking $300 per trade, and you lost the account in like a month. It's like that shit don't fucking add up, bro. And then we start walking through it, and it's the same shit. We can't beat math, bro. The sporadic emotional decisions are destroying people. 95% of people. I've never had somebody say, I don't have correct results. Like, all right, let me see your journal. I see the journal, and they're doing things the way that it was taught. It's always some bullshit, bro. Some emotional bullshit. So that's my 2 cents. What's that?
Will your journals be just like an online journal like type shit, or do you like your physical journal?
I don't know. You bought the whole course for 3K, so if you fucking
I've
went.
seen you have your physical journals now, but like, do you now like just do how would you do them now? 'Cause, I mean, you're more high tech now.
I wish, bro. Yeah, I'm not, bro. It's still the same manual entry. What day it is, what the setup is, what the pair is, and the outcome of it. I haven't done that shit my whole birthday month, bro. I'm missing all of July. You gotta get back into it for August. Are you against using your GatesFX account to let people do copy trading from it? Yeah. If he offered a PAM account, yeah, but hell yeah, I'm against it, bro. I get in hella trouble for that shit. Ask him because with Traders Connect, it's already working trade locker to trade locker. Ask him because with Traders Connect. Yeah, I've asked him, bro, if they can open up a PAM. If he can't, hopefully Dollar can if they open up their broker. But yeah, I would love to do a PAM account for sure. I'm just not going to do it with Sway for anybody who's about to say I'm not doing it. I would open up a PAM account. I just got to be on a platform that I trust. And not that I don't trust Sway. I'm just not working with them. That's all. Crazy how important rules are. Yeah, for sure, bro. You took the time out to call me personally, bro. Invested in whatever you got going on, bro. You are a real one. Yeah, much love, bro. That's what I'm talking about, man. I do care about y'all and shit. Sometimes over the course of time, people be seeing us be all mean and shit. And it's just like, bro, I've told you this like 100 times, bro. What do you want me to say? Sway done, fam. They shut down. Oh, really? No, they didn't, bro. You're tripping. Oh, no, they didn't. They're just now. Oh, they got bought out by liquid brokers. Okay. Yeah. By Mamba's broker. No, you're well wrong there, King. Well wrong there, bro. Far from Mamba's broker. Yeah, you're right. There's just still. You're sometimes on point, but sometimes you up there with bullseye, bro. You're on the same path, and then whoosh. You're way wrong there. Yeah, you're right. There's still a legality point with copy trading. Yeah. But the broker he has, no, not his broker, but the broker, Liquid Charts, yeah. Liquid Charts Sway, same thing, yeah. Does Henko do it? I don't know, bro. I'll be honest. I'm not sure. That's because you want us to learn. Yeah, bro. I already know what I signed myself up for when I became an educator. You know, when we talk about we can't beat math, regardless of how good of a trader you are, you have to understand that more often than not, the majority of people who run through my stream will not be profitable traders, regardless of how I accepted that a long time ago. And so for the people who don't accept that fate for themselves and genuinely want to put in the work, bro, we motherfucking go hard, bro. The Johns. The Paul Kinsleys, sometimes. The Russos, the Hugos, sometimes. The Kings, bro. We go hard, bro. I used liquid markets before I switched to Gates. How was it? How was your experience with liquid markets? I've heard they're going to MT5, but I don't know how to do it. Yeah. Oscar, now that we're in deep profit, Oscar says he's in sales on NAS. He just wanted to make sure he's in profit before he told us. Same thing, US30 here. I didn't take the whipsaw, and now we're up 100 points, bro. There's just no fucking trades for me, dude. It is what it is. It's annoying as fuck. The broker with 5 reviews on Trustpilot? No way, bro. Liquid is huge. Is it not? Is Gates bigger than Liquid? Makes sense, but I sent it earlier. Come on, Oscar. Stop playing, bro. Thanks for everything, Emmett. Much love, bro. I'm out of here. Not liking this price action. Gonna hit the gym today. See y'all tomorrow. Hell yeah. Come on, Oscar. He said facts. I'm scrolling up, bro. Yep, didn't tell us. Yo, Boley, what's up, my brother? Boley said it's a personal journey. 13 years for me in the forex market. How the fuck did I miss this, bro? It's great to see you in here. You should be on this. You should be on this live. We're all trying to learn crypto, and we're just waiting for you to fucking warm us up to it, my brother. You're lying. That's crazy. Is this on Trustpilot? What is this website, bro? We're exposing, eh? Put Gates up here. I want to see Gates too. 5 reviews? 10 reviews? Isn't Psy also a liquid? Isn't Psy also a liquid? Oh, Psy, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep. They got quick payouts. I'm talking about it within the hour. It was amazing. Thing is, I like MT5, so I'm using Gates, not that one. Oh, okay. Okay, so you had a good experience with Liquid, yeah. Yeah, I hear everything, so I'm just curious how you guys feel about Liquid and shit. We can have a conversation. But yeah, Psy is with Liquid. I didn't know that they got bought out, though. I thought that was just a name change for, well, actually, I don't think anything. I fuck with it. Hell yeah. What about Gates? You fuck with Gates? Who in here is using Gates? Put a 1 in the chat. Put a 2 in the chat if you're using something else. 1 in the chat, Gates. 2 in the chat, something else. 3 prop firms. 3 prop firm. 3 prop firm. 1 in the chat, Gates. 2 different broker. 3 you're just prop firm trading. 3. Okay. Oh, damn. All of you guys prop firm trading. Yeah, Sky's 1 and 3. Interesting. Stephen Owens 1 and 3. Brandon's not using Gates. Damn, bro. It's got to be tough on that side, whatever side you're in. Luckily for you, you can make the switch today. Get out of there, bro. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, King trades goddamn everything. 1, 3. Yeah. Yeah, how are your guys' experience with Gates? Is it good? Is it bad? Is it incredible? I know the guru always talks good about the place they're affiliating for, but what about you guys? You know, like, do you fuck with it or what? Emma got a question. What's up, bro? Sergio says, great. Would like MT5 though. Yeah. Move out of the country, brother. Uh-oh. What did you fucking do, Raymond? Yeah, hold on. What's wrong with you, bro? Yeah.
Why gotta be me?
Yeah.
Don't be a jack of all trades. 1 session, 1 pair.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't be a jack of all trades. 1 session.
I mean, it's a great message.
It is a good fucking message, yeah. I feel like I actually did say that.
Right? You did.
I did. Okay, so yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear this. Let's see. Let me try to. Yeah, I'll have to stop the screen share here. I got it. 1 second. That's crazy. What was the one from yesterday, bro?
Just stroll up. Hang on, I'll post again.
We need like a whole fucking song at this point.
1 session, 1 pair.
What the fuck? Yo.
1 session, 1 pair.
1 pair.
1 session, 1 pair. Zen Lab makes money.
Yeah, AI is really fucking scary, bro. No cap. Oh, here's the other one right here.
What the fuck?
Bro, how
This
the?
nigga's tripping.
Yeah, that's nuts.
That shit, bro. You did that shit?
What the fuck?
No, Ramon did it. You guys can have your own videos too. He only charges $15 per clip, bro. Just hit him up, Ramon. Got you, bro.
Go ahead over Ramon.
Yeah.
A nasty video. Fuck you, bro.
People have me on IG on here or not?
Yo, you said what? People what?
People, can I put my IG up on here?
Mm-hmm. Oh, what is it?
Hugo.b.me.
Hugo.be.me.
Yeah.
Like that?
Where's your writer?
On your username.
Yeah, like that. You can have my username, bro.
Would you feel comfortable having? Oh shit. Emma got a question. Would like MT5? Do they allow MT5 for people? Yes, they do, Sergio. Would you feel comfortable having 800K in a broker with a 2.9 star rating and 5 reviews? Asking for a friend. Yeah, sounds legit, brother. I'm gonna go with no. New YouTube intro. This was fire. Yeah, that shit's hard, bro. This is your viral content, bro. Post it. Yeah, facts. You actually look Jamaican with blonde hair. Appreciate that, bro. We're going red next.
That shit was
Yeah, that shit's hard.
one train.
Scratching my head out. Dang, it's about to load up. Yo, can you do it longer? Are you using VO3? Don't let me fuck up the secrets. Never mind. Tell me later. VO3 is crazy, though. The only reason I asked is because it's 8 seconds long.
Paper Route Pips is a badass name. Who's that?
Russo, bro.
You already freaking. They don't know. They don't know.
Oh,
About
there
it.
you go.
They just don't know.
Paper Route Empire.
Paper Out Empire, bro. Young Dolph back in the day, bro, was our...
He's dog.
Young Dolph was our fucking... was our indicator, bro. You know how nowadays, if I, for some reason, have to pee, right, we get into a trade, we hit? Back in the day, it was Dolph, bro. You get a little bit of drawdown. Yeah, drawdown Dolph. Yo, perfect timing. Drawdown Dolph, bro. It used to be them days, for sure.
Yeah, bro.
Get you out of drawdown with the quickness. I was wondering, sound like you went to Jamaica. Yeah, no, that's me. That's what I do on my free time, Donna. I make music. You think I colored my hair for no reason? Dolph saved us, bro. Saved us almost every day, bro.
I know he was an artist.
Shit crazy. You need thinner pants so you can start making Jamaican dance hall, man. I got it. Listen, bro. You know what you want to look at? There's the jeans I wear. Look.
Got the little robe that you got something around it.
Hugo already knows the jeans I'm about to pull out.
Oh, God.
The nigga 2000s out here. This will be my dance hall shit for sure.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
The revenge jeans.
Yeah, that's it. Jeez, with the green hair, 35 minutes.
What else? Fuck boy.
Certified brothers.
That's crazy. Hide your kids, hide your wife. Yeah. All right, anyways, yo. We're just a whole bunch of non-trading for me here today, so let's get the fuck about here. Yeah, NAS shorts at that level.
Not shorts at all.
Yeah, look at these swings, though. Like, there is no fucking structure for us to take. Holy shit. Same here, too. More often than not, when we push directly up and push directly back down, usually we just range for the rest of the day. Not today, brother. That 4-hour resistance is holding. I mean, documentation was correct. I just had no place to put it, bro. PM session's going to look very good. You know, we're already moving away from this area, so we just expect for the rest of the week to sell off, bro. Period. You know? That's where we at. Bombo Zen.
What is this?
All right, anyways, appreciate y'all for showing up, y'all. I'm getting out this bitch. Anybody needs a funded account? Here. Because they put it for instant funded accounts now. So you guys are fucking solid. Use code Zen. Use this I'm not even going to tell you what the percentage is. Go look for your fucking self, and you're heavily fucking welcome. These are going to be set in stone for a while, too, so run it up. I put the link here in Zoom. You guys should already know where to find it. I just put the link here in YouTube, too. Like I said, code ZEN, Z-E-N, for all types of accounts, instant funded as well, and you're fucking welcome. Once you see, go message me on Instagram and say, thank you, my G. And I'll say, I got you, my G. You thinking to open up your own brokerage one day, bro? Yeah, of course. That's the pinnacle of the industry. You know, you open up a firm or you open up a broker, and then potentially you can go face this from Zen for next. Yo. That's crazy, bro. Yeah, it's obviously going to be called Zen Funds. Would probably be the fucking prop firm, and then Zen something for the bro. It's a whole movement for sure. Yeah, I think I need a bit more notoriety before I decide to go down that avenue of getting affiliates and all that shit. I don't think I'm big enough for that as far as volume, but yeah, bro, it's a movement, bro. Zen for life. We're gonna do everything the Zen way, and everything is gonna be top tier. I don't work underneath people. I don't work on top of people either. I work with the fucking people, and that's what we're always going to maintain doing. Appreciate you guys for showing up. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my live trade room. If you want to join, the link is down in the description to watch me trade live every single day of the week. But if you guys are just trying to get a feel for how I trade, which you haven't seen a trade yet so far, if you're new here or last week, whatever, stick around, bro. Tuesdays and Thursdays are free. You don't have to pay. I'm always on YouTube, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we'll fucking go from there, yo. Appreciate